It marks 2 years since the death of a St. Johns County father of 4, Jared Bridegan. And also today, 2 people facing murder charges in his death will be back before a judge. And just yesterday, hundreds of pages of new documents were released in this case. Investigators described his death as a murder-for-hire plot. Bridegan was shot to death when he stopped to move a tire from the roadway after dropping off his twins at his ex-wife's home in Jacksonville Beach. Bridegan's 2-year-old daughter was still strapped in her car seat behind him, and though unharmed, she was dangerously close to the gunfire. In the new documents released, it suggests 2 more people may have been involved in his death, which would make a total of 5. Now, the names are redacted in those documents, but investigators believe one of them was a former reserve police officer. The documents also painted a picture of growing frustration that Bridegan's ex-wife, Shanna Gardner, allegedly had with the custody agreement, and her concern that her phone calls were being recorded. It also states the plot to kill Bridegan could have begun as early as 2015. Investigators say they used the announcement of a break in the case last January to try to provoke Gardner and Fernandez into talking about what that break could be. Now, his ex-wife Shanna Gardner and her second husband Mario Fernandez are facing first-degree murder charges and conspiracy to commit murder charges. Both have pled not guilty, but prosecutors say a man named Henry Tinnen has pled guilty to firing the fatal shots and will be testifying at the upcoming trial. Now, Tinnen rented a home from Fernandez. Gardner and Fernandez will be in court for a pretrial hearing this morning. We will be there. We'll have an update for you at noon. We also have a more detailed look at this case currently on our website, and a look at how Jared's widow, Kirsten Bridegan, has been working to turn her grief into good works to help children in traumatic situations. You can find that story and more on firstcoastnews.com.